Hey YouTubers, just a quick update. I got a few things for the layout, and one of them from Blair Line products, I've got laser cut decals, which are obviously graffiti, and then I'm gonna give a try to these wooden grade crossing boards, and I'll show you where I'm gonna put those in the layout. And then the third thing I got from Blair Line are these stacks of ties, so seasoned rail ties. They're like covered in pitch. And let me show you where those are going to go up here. This is the maintenance away scene that I'm going to be building. So there'll be a big steel shed back here. And I'm going to have a small, actually Blair Line product cafe, the Yard Cafe. And then this area here will all be maintenance away. And this is a private rail crossing. So I scratch built these little gates here out of brass. And I'll paint those silver, and I'll make them look rusty and crusty, but I scratch built these signs here as well. So it's private rail crossing. So they'll shut and latch these so nobody crosses over. And it's going to be a gravel road basically. And then here you see the Blair Line wooden crossings. I'll paint those, and then I'll have the road continue as gravel, and there'll be more wood here. So that's the maintenance away crossing, so they can get between this bigger facility over to the other side where they're going to have their large storage shed. So I've got that. And then a friend of mine, Roy Sharp, who I've talked about on this channel, who made this building and this outbuilding, actually does 3D printing now. He's gotten really into that. And he 3D printed several things for me. And I'll just show you a couple of them here. So one is a excavator. And I've done a bit of weathering to it myself after I got it from him, just some washes and some powdered pigments, but that's all 3D printed. And there's two different arm attachments that he sent over. He put a little guy in there, some windows, and I think it looks great. So I'm gonna have that. It'll be here somewhere in the maintenance away scene. And then he had a couple of these tractor trailer cabs that he made. So it's the old flat front type. So I kind of cruddy those up a bit. And this one, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but got that. And he also 3D printed a couple of high railer vehicles and some little other details. Let me show you, which is really cool. So some people hand painted, some pallets. You can never have enough pallets, and bins, as well as there are barrels somewhere. Here we go, the barrels. So steel barrels. So yeah, we collaborate quite a bit, and I'm sending him some stuff that it's hard for him to get in the U.S. Some K couplers and specific decals. So that's a great thing about the hobby, is this community that it creates, and it allows you to work with folks and barter, not a barter, but one hand washes the other. We kind of help each other out. And then to that point, another friend of mine who I helped design a track plan, and I featured him on the channel, Robert M. And he does 3D printing as well with a resin printer. And he was nice enough to send these things to me, and they're beautifully done, maintenance away. And I'm gonna be careful taking these out of here because they're still kind of fragile. I think I'm gonna probably sit them out in the sun a bit to let the UV rays cure them more. But this is a ballast hamper, and I think it's got like a track geometry attachment to it. So there's a bunch of details. There's a roof, there's a motor that goes on there. So he sent them in this state so that I can paint them and kind of finish them off myself. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show that on the channel. So there's another smaller one in here as well. And similar to Roy, we kind of share ideas, and I try to help him out with his layout, and he was kind enough to send over some 3D printed bits for my maintenance away scene, since he knows I'm really kind of into that lately. So that was a great Christmas present. And again, another kind of example of the community that this hobby creates for us. So then I've also talked about on a prior video, for maintenance away, I got this kit, which is a Walthers. I got this on eBay. So it's a maintenance away water tanker. So I'm going to have that it'll be pretty cruded up and rusty. And that'll go over there on the It's Away scene that I just showed you on the layout. I'm not sure if they even make these anymore, but this is a brand new kit with all the parts sealed that I got on Amazon. eBay. And then I also got I don't know what you call them, a platform caboose CSX as a Christmas gift for my wife and my daughter, which is a Bachmann. It's CSX, and it's got the platform ends on it. So that's something that I'm gonna be putting together and detailing, and you'll see that in a future video. So really gonna be spending a lot of time on this scene here over the coming weeks and months. So yeah, was fortunate to get all that, and it's a blessed Christmas. So I hope you all have a good holiday and a great New Year. Just want to give you a quick update. Cheers.